Well, here it is, February 12th, 2010. And it is snowing like I hadn't seen it snow since, God, 73 maybe, I think. In Albany, Georgia. And it's coming down like cornflakes. Global warming. Yeah, let me see what my hon's doing over here. Where you at, babe? I don't see you. Oh, there you are over there.
I'm looking for bird dog and bingo.
Wow.
It's beautiful in here, hon.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
Here. You see the dogwood behind you? It's beautiful.
You made a snowball, thrown a snowball yet?
That's it.
The first snowball.